And here we go with the 8th day of Christmas. Wild blueberry with balm leaves. All right, I'm thinking dessert for sure. And I'm going to pair it with Hendrick's because it has beautiful floral notes, and blueberry can be tricky, so Hendrick's is a great match. Let's empty the entire jar into our cocktail shaker. And then to that, we are going to add 2 ounces of Hendrick's gin. Now for a little bit of sour to offset all that sweetness, we're going to add about 3/4 to 1 ounce of lemon juice. Fill that shaker up with ice and let's start shaking. While that is shaking, why don't you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. That should do it. Now we are going to coat the rim with our lemon, and we're going to dip it in some sugar to make this dessert extra special. I mean, sometimes those little extra touches are all you need. Glass number 2. Ooh, that's going to be mine. And the pour. Oh, it looks so good. All right, and now for some garnish. We wrapped some blueberries in some lemon twists, and we're just going to release those blueberries and put that in there, and we'll try on this one to hook it on the rim. There we go. Don't they look beautiful? And yes, they were delicious.